Hi guys. Okay. So please let me know if you guys can hear me and my voice is clear so that we can start with our today's lecture. Am I audible, guys? Please use your chat option if you are not able to see me.
Yes.
Okay. Very good. All right. So before I start with the today's lecture and all, since I think I'm a quite new to this data analyst training, let me introduce myself. My name is 𝐊𝐞𝐲 and I am CEO and founder of Learnomate Technologies. I have 10 plus years of experience with the IT industry, and while working with this IT industry, I got an opportunity to work with the companies like Cognizant, Infosys, Wipro, L&T Infotech. We call it as a LTI Mindtree nowadays, and some of the mid-scale companies. Okay. So while working with these big companies, I got an opportunity to work with the multiple projects. So I work with the databases, different databases, then cloud specific technologies. I got an exposure to work with the company, the teams like data engineer and all big data projects. So all these things I have handled, and it was a nice journey. And now I'm playing a role of CEO here, which is completely non-technical. But it's not non-technical because we do provide the trainings on different technologies to the different students. And I know that you guys are pretty much excited to learn about the data analyst. So we have conducted around I think 4 lectures, I hope so. 3 to 4 lectures we have conducted on data analyst, and I hope you guys have liked the way the the webinars were going on. But before I proceed anything from my side, I want to understand from all of you. If you have any questions, queries, anything, please feel free to ask me the question, and then I will start from my side. If you have any questions related to the training, um, let me know so that I'll listen you first, because you are important for us, right? So that's the way we will start, and then later on I'll start from my side. So those candidate or student is having any question, do not hesitate to ask the question, because usually we like to have interactive sessions. So that's the way, you guys can understand the technology. And as a trainer, we also get a feel like, okay, someone is asking the question, so I should tell 2 things extra. So please go ahead one by one and let me know so we can discuss about that. Any question, guys, from your side? Anything? If you don't have access to unmute, let me provide you access. Okay, so I have given you access to unmute yourself, or if you want to use the chat option, you can use the chat option also. That is also fine.
Sir, what is business analyst?
So see, all the analysts are like same only. Okay, specific to the business analyst, they will be more work with the business kind of things. Okay, they will not work with a coding kind of skill set. Mostly they will be working with the CEO and all. There is one question which is most of the time people are asking, like, what is the difference between data analyst, data engineer, and this data scientist? Okay, anyone know what is the difference? Anyone want to give some heads up? What's the difference? Which career we should start and all? Any idea, guys? Anything in Hindi if you want to talk? English is also fine. But come up with the questions, queries, so that this will be interactive session. Okay, did you guys gone through the lectures that we have covered till now? Is it
Yes.
okay? What about others? Did you guys gone through that? The lectures that we have conducted from last 3-4 days?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Please use the chat option. Yes, no, say something. Okay. Fine. Okay. Let me share my screen with you all. Okay. Okay. So before I proceed, any question, guys, from your side regarding the training? Any question?
You can unmute yourself.
Yeah, you have options to unmute. Guys, the name. Any question, guys? Or can I go ahead from my side?
Hi, Ankush Kishore this side.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Actually, I'm CB certified financial advisor, and I have been training so many industry people like be it your TCS, and I do corporate trainings for investor awareness programs as well.
Mm-hmm.
And basically, I did my engineering in Pune itself. So if I want to look at it, I'm looking or seeking for these courses for my younger brother. So how your organization or your program will help him to get into this IT domain or something?
So, what is the background of that student? Like, what he do?
Yeah, he's pursuing his mechanical in
Mechanical.
Pune itself. Second
Okay.
year, yeah.
Okay.
He's
So
in
he is
second.
from the basically non-IT background, which is
Yeah,
mechanical. So he don't have knowledge about the coding kind of skill set. Okay. Fine.
true.
So see, when we talked about the IT and all, like there are different streams are there. But basically, if I want to draw into the 2-3 fields, I would say there
Hmm.
is a development track is there. Okay.
Okay.
Then we have administration tracks are available here. And if I want to take something, then it will be testing kind of fields are also available. Now when I say that it's a development kind of track, so in the development you should have knowledge about the coding kind of skill set. Like coding or programming is very much important if you want to become or start the career as a developer. So in coding,
Okay.
like we have a different um, roles are available. Like we have a Java developer or .NET developer or Angular or C is there, C++ is there, multiple languages are there.
Okay.
Usually what we try, like if someone want to become a developer, the person should be coming from your computer background, or he should be coming from the IT background, or he should have some knowledge about the IT kind of skill set. Now if the person is coming from mechanical, civil, or maybe BSc person, uh, or the candidate who think that I am not much aware about the coding, because see, even though if I am from the IT background, So I'm a computer science student. I was a computer science student. So there are many
Okay.
people, even though they are the part of computer science or IT, they don't understand coding, or they don't have a knowledge, or they don't have that much of skill set. So many people are thinking that if they don't know development or if they don't know coding, they cannot become a IT person. But it's not correct. There are multiple
Okay.
administration skill sets are available. Like I personally provide the training on Oracle DBA, which is Oracle Database Administration. Now when you see this kind of skill set, now you don't need to write down single line of code in Oracle DBA. Apart from this, we have network is there, which is a network engineer. Then we have server administration is there. Apart from this, Windows administrations are there. And one more role which I am talking today, that is called that is like a data analyst. This data analyst is the role. Some people are also calling it as a non-coding skill set. But depend on project to project. If you want to start your career as a data analyst, so you should have some knowledge about the Python also. It is a good, not compulsory. I don't say it's a compulsory, but if you have a knowledge about the Python, it is an add-on for you. It doesn't have more, I would say, development is there in the data analyst. But if you have a knowledge about the Python, second thing is SQL is kind of very very important. Third thing is if you have a knowledge about the Excel, because if you see the example of all sales team, business development, or business analyst also, Excel is something which is very very important. So having a knowledge about the Excel, then SQL, and Python is like an add-on. But anyway, with this training program, we are going to take the Python also. We will talk about the Python fundamentals. SQL is already included, Excel is there. And data analyst people are mainly working on data visualization tools. Like there is a one powerful tool is there, we call it as a Power BI. Or one more tool is there, talent not talent what is that other tool, I forget the name. So you can use that other tool also, but Power BI is some
Tableau.
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 Yes, I'm sorry, Tableau. So this is something which is very very important nowadays. So data visualization tools, like many people also asking us that do we need to have a knowledge about the coding for data analyst. If I want to say, I would say no, it's not required. But yes, having a knowledge about the Python and all, it's very very important. So if any I'm sorry, if any person who is coming from non-technical background, like maybe mechanical, civil, electrical background, BSc, or any other background, so that person, if he is not having a knowledge about the programming and all, you can go for the data analyst. So that's and I can see that many openings are coming for fresher point of view for the data analyst. There is one more question is that, like, can we go for the data engineer also? Actually, when I see all these three technology, they are working together only, like your data analyst, data engineer, and data scientist. So then coming from data analyst, it doesn't require, or I would say a basic knowledge of programming is important. Then you should have a knowledge about the database, like it can be database specific language like SQL. And then other part like your Excel is required. And then you can have a knowledge about the visualization tools like Power BI and all. But if you want to become a data engineer, similar kind of skill set is there, but in data engineer you should have knowledge about the programming skill set. That is like a kind of compulsory, I would say. So programming means, in programming also you should have knowledge about any one programming, like you can have a knowledge about Python or Scala. There is one more language is there called Scala, or you can have a knowledge about the Java also. And then you can have a knowledge about the database specific, like you can have Oracle knowledge or MySQL. Both will use SQL only at the end. Then knowledge about Excel play an important role, because I personally work as a data engineer. So if you have knowledge about Excel, in Excel you should know how to create pivot and all. So all these things will be there. So data visualization tool is not required for data engineer, but having a knowledge about the Linux also play an important role here. Linux. So all these things play an important role, and nowadays, irrespective of any technology, having a knowledge about the any cloud, that is like an add-on for your technology. Any cloud, I'm not saying that you should know AWS only or Azure only, but any one cloud, because all the clouds are similar only. So any one cloud play an important role. So try to try to try to focus and try to understand that how much is your ability, whether you will understand programming or not. So I would suggest that the person who is coming from non-technical background, or the person who is coming from technical also, but he is saying that I don't know coding, go for data analyst. The person who is saying that okay, I do understand programming, I can write down the code, go for data engineer. And the person who is very good in mathematics, okay, you can try for the data scientist who is good in mathematics or predictions and all. That for that person, data scientist. But normally, for data scientists, the I have seen that mostly the senior people will go, like the person who is having 2-3 years of experience, they will try for the data scientist. And most of the time I have seen, like data scientist and data engineer, and data scientist, data engineer and data analyst, they will sit together and they will do the work. So that's how the industry work many times. Even a single person, he will work on data analyst part also and data engineer part also. The single person, let's say it's a small organization, they cannot hire the different team. So what they will do, they will hire a person who can do data analyst part also and data engineer part also. Okay, is it clear, guys?
Thank you.
Let me know if anyone have any question.
Hello.
Yes, please.
So actually, I have completed BSc and currently I'm working, but I'm thinking of switching to IT industry. That's why I wanted to learn data analyst. Does it really worth for me doing this 3-month course and looking for a job?
What is the background you said? Can you come again?
BSc chemistry.
BSc chemistry. That's fine. Like we have a lot of people are enrolling for BSc. Okay, because see, when we talked about all the big organization, like let's say TCS, Infosys, okay, and when we see their job opportunities, they are quite open for not only just BTech person, they are open for BSc person also, BSc, MSc, MCA, okay. So these people are also welcome for the big organization, and even for small organization, like they don't see, usually small organization or mid-scale organization, they don't see the graduation and all. Any graduation is open, because IT is all about skill set. The person who is having a knowledge, he is welcome. The background is not important. Okay, so I have seen in my experience that my manager is not a BTech person also. My manager is a BSc person, BCA person. You will find thousands of people, they are not BTech, they are like MCA people, the person who completed their master of computer application, they are not engineer also. So do not think that if I am not an engineer, it doesn't mean that I cannot go inside the IT. The IT is open for everyone. Only the thing is, you need to concentrate on two things. I'm always saying that concentrate on two things. One is like you need to concentrate on technology. Irrespective of any technology, you should be strong. Second thing is, try to improve your communication skill. That is very important. Because why communication play a very important role in data analyst or data engineer or anyone? Because you will be directly dealing with the customer. What data analysts do usually? Anyone know what data analysts do? Anyone want to say what data analysts do actually? What they do?
Yes. They analyze the data.
They analyze the data and then
They analyze the data and then communicate with the the customers or the
customer.
client.
Correct. So I'll tell you one example of our Learnomate Technologies only. Like we have this website is there. This is our official. Yeah. Anyone want to add?
They cleans data.
Mainly helpful for remote, just report purpose.
Reporting purpose, correct. Again, anyone want to add?
They cleans data.
They clean the data. Clean the data means how?
Like from garbage, they cleans data.
Correct.
What we need to correct.
Correct. Absolutely correct. Correct. See, you take an example of this Learnomate Technology website only. Okay. Now, let's say I'm a customer. So I will ask my data analyst team that, boss, can you please tell me that how many people are hitting to our Learnomate website from last 6 months, right? How many people, and show me this data in the graph. So what he will do, he will create maybe a bar chart, and he will say that in Jan month, this is my Feb month, this is my March month, and this is my April month. So when I see this graph, I can see here that here 1000 people got hit it to my website, here 1500 people, here 2000 people, and here maybe 500 people got registered to a website, to the learnomate.org. This is the graph. So when I see this graph as a client, I can see here that I don't see people are, I see less people in my April month, because I have seen this graph, right? When I see here 1000 people are coming, then 1500, because usually we try to see the business, it should be increasing business, right? It should be like this, it should be like this, or it should be at least like this. It should not be going down, right? So I can see with the picture, because a normal client, a client coming from non-technical background, he don't understand the Excel sheet, he don't understand the programming. What he understand, he understand the picture. And when I see this picture, I can clearly see that in the April month, the number of user which are registered to the Learnomate website is less than the previous month. Then I will try to find out the reason why less people have joined, why the less number of people has been registered in April month. Why? What is the reason? Then we will get to know that maybe in the April month the website was down. Or maybe some other reason. So this graph can be captured with the help of your data visualization tools, like you can use this Tableau, or you can use this Power BI. Nowadays Power BI people are using very much, because Tableau is quite costly. So client is going with the Power BI, and it has very powerful functions also available. So data analyst is a person who takes the data. So he will take the data as an input, and from that data, after doing the calculations and everything, he will show you the data in the form of graph, in the form of GUI format, by using this graphical user interface tools like Tableau and Power BI. It makes the life easy for the customer. That is the reason they are using this. And when you are creating this, graph and all, that is the reason I'm saying that you should have a knowledge about the Excel also, SQL also, Power BI also, and if you have add-on knowledge about the Python, that is very much important. Why Python? Because I'll tell you one scenario. Let's say I want to see this graph every week, or I want to see this graph every month. Every month means in January I want to see the graph, in February I want to see March, every month, every 1st of Jan, 1st of Feb, 1st of, this is like an automation. I am not saying that you should manually create this. I am saying that it should come automatically to my email ID, this graph. This is like automation. So when you want to do some kind of automation and all, for that this Python play an important role. Python, by using this Python, which is a programming, it makes your life easy. so that this dashboard will be printed automatically and it will be coming to my email ID. So all this automation can be done by using the Python. That is the reason we have included Python also to our syllabus. That is the reason we have included Python, SQL, Excel, Power BI, statistics. All these things we have included to our syllabus. Did you understand, guys, what I'm trying to say? Whatever I'm telling, are you able to understand? Can you please use the chat option?
Yes.
Whatever I'm trying to make you understand, are you able to understand? Can you please use the chat option? Please use the chat option. Nikita is saying yes. Others say no. I'm fine with the no also. But admin is saying yes. Is it my person? Okay. Anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. Okay. So, coming to this,
Course is useful for experienced persons as well.
can you come again? I missed the question.
This course means whatever the course you are working, data analyst course.
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
course is useful for experienced persons.
Yeah. Everyone can do, especially, see, experienced people will get more calls, Experienced people always get the more calls. So we always, it as a company, we always try to look for the experienced people because the number of jobs are very much open for the experienced candidate. Even though if you have experience with other technologies, you can show the experience of as a data analyst. Okay, so that level of training we do provide so that you can show the data analyst as a experience, and you can get number of calls for that. Okay, so like we have covered, and I hope you guys have enjoyed the sessions that we have covered for the data analyst till now.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, yes,
I
please.
am from finance background,
Mm-hmm.
so there is vacancy for business analyst. So can I go for it or not? Can you please guide me?
For business analyst, if you have vacancies, you can go for it. Okay, business analyst people will mainly, they are similar like a data analyst only. Okay, they also do the same thing. But if you have opportunity, go for it. I would suggest because
So
business
this is
analyst is also good.
good idea or not?
No,
Because
it's
I
good.
don't have knowledge about IT or analyst.
No, it's good. It's good. You should try. Okay, it's
Thank
good.
you.
Because many vacancies are coming for the business analyst. Business analyst role is mainly responsible to increase the business. Okay, you tell me how I can increase my business, so that decision will be taken care by the business analyst. So business analyst is the person who is going to take the decision in a such way that who will increase the business. So that is the reason this role play a very important role. Okay, so if you are getting the opportunity, I would suggest that definitely go for it. Okay,
Oh, but what we need skill set for that?
you should have a knowledge about Excel, little bit SQL. Okay, even if you have a knowledge about this data analyst role also, like Power BI and all, that will be add on for you.
Actually, I have knowledge for finance like 5 years, but not have any knowledge about data analyst.
Okay, so you can try to learn from us, or maybe if you want to learn from YouTube channel also, maybe there are many videos are available on your website, so you can try to learn from YouTube channel also. It's completely free of cost. Or maybe you can try the other sources also, like Udemy and all. You can try that. YouTube is free of cost. If you are interested for paid kind of training, you can reach out to us. So both options are available. A lot of options are available. It's up to you which options you like to go for it.
Thank you so much.
But again, like, we should be keep trying ourselves and try to understand the new things. Then only you can survive. Okay, so I'm always telling to each and every individual that those people who want to start their career into the IT industry, or the people who are the part of IT industry, keep learning. Even after these many years, like, we try to understand new technology also. So that's very important, guys. Okay.
Sir, Bhumi here.
Yes.
Sir, I would, can you please give me one more example about the what a data analyst will do using Python in the field, in any field basically, and just one example. And I would also like to know what all skill set I should possess to become a good data analyst in using Python.
See, I'll tell you, there are 4 steps are there for data engineer, data analyst, or data scientist also. 4 steps are there. Like, I have already discussed about one example, that about the website traffic. Okay. I'll give you one more example. Let's take an example. Like, we are taking this, we are conducting this webinar for data analyst, right? So we are asking people to fill up the form and all. Okay, so that we will get to know that what are all people are interested for this training. Okay, so we are getting a data from different sources. Like, one data we are getting with the help of Google form. Correct, you can see the Google form available. Second data we are getting from the website. Okay, third things, we are getting the data or the people who are interested, that leads we are getting with the help of WhatsApp. Correct. Fourth thing, we are getting the leads from the Instagram. Correct. So there are multiple sources are there. From there we are getting the information that, okay, these many number of people are interested for the Power BI training or this data analyst training. Right. So these are the leads which are coming for the data analyst. So the actual goal is data analyst, right? So what we will do, we will collect all these leads from here to one location. Correct? This is like a data collection. We call it as a data collection. We will collect the data to one source, because we have a multiple sources are there now. So once we get a data, we need to capture that data into one source, right? So what I will do, maybe in the last, we are using a application called CRM application, customer relationship manager, where we gather all the leads in one single location. Then what we will do, we are going to go for the data cleaning. Now what is meant by data cleaning? Can anyone tell me what is meant by data cleaning here with this example? Like, there is a chances that whenever you are filling up the form, like, there are good people are there in the world, there are some bad people are also there in the world. What they will do, they will write down something nonsense into that Google form. You got my point?
Yes.
They will write down something nonsense, right? So let's assume that I have 1000 entries are there collectively, maybe from here 100, maybe 400 here, and total is 1000. Out of 1000, 900 people are good. So what I will do, 100 people I will remove, because the email IDs, number, whatever they have given, it's not correct one. They are like unuseful data. Maybe they are not interested. They are just coming here for the time pass purpose, wasting their time and my time also. That is like a data cleaning. Once the data get clean, what I will do, I am going to do the data transformation. Now what is meant by data transformation? See, when I ask you to fill up the form, that time you fill up the form with the information like name, your name, email ID, phone number, comment, gender, and many things were there in that form. But my sales team is saying that, boss, I don't need to worry about the comment. I am not interested for gender. I am not interested for their address. These are the extra field for me. I don't require all these things, because sales is mainly responsible to call them, right, only. So what I will do, so this is like a data cleaning and data transformation. Here what I will do one thing, I will remove unnecessary columns. So I will only keep 3 columns: name, email ID, and what is the next thing? Phone number. Rest of the columns I will remove. That is not required for me. Maybe I will require, but at this point I don't require. That is like a data transformation. Rest of the columns I will remove from here. And I will do some changes also. Like I'll tell you one example. Let's say when I'm collecting a gender, some people have mentioned boy, some people have mentioned male, some people have mentioned something different, but both are saying it is a male only, right? At the end it is a male only, na?
Yes.
At the end it is a male only. When I say female, some people may have written down like a girl, but at the end it's a female only, right? So those people who have mentioned female, it is a female. Those people who have mentioned girl, it is a female only. So what I will do, I will do all this transformation over here. All this transformation, I will do it over here. And once I get everything perfectly fine, I am going to show that data in the form of data visualization. So when you want to do the data visualization, for that you are going to use the tool called Power BI and all in the last. Okay.
Tableau, Power BI.
Tableau you can use, Power BI you can use, anything whatever you want to do. See, in this 3 field only, you know, see, once you see the data na, like in the form of data visualization, after that, this predictive analysis will start. The last step will be predictive analysis. Like, you know, by looking to this graph and all, they will take a decision that, okay, this time we got 100 admission for data analyst, next time we will get 150 admissions or 200 admissions. Predictive analysis. This is done by the data scientist. Data scientist will do it.
Okay.
This predict. Data collection and all usually done by the data engineer. Data engineer will do your data collection. Data collection means when I'm getting a data from different sources, I will collect it and I will push it into the one source. I'll push it into the one place. So data engineer, he can do data collection also, data cleaning and data transfer also he will do normally. But from here to here, you know, this is done by the data analyst people. Data analyst, data visualization, all data analyst will take care of that.
Okay.
So that's the reason I'm saying, like, you know, these 3 people are always with each other. You know, the data scientist, then your data visualization team, which is a data analyst, and data engineer. Okay. So that's how the things works in real life when you're working as a. Is it clear, everyone? Whatever we discuss.
Yes, sir. So the skill sets.
See, if you want to become a data analyst, okay, because today we are targeting to the data analyst first. 4 modules play an important role. One is Excel, second one is SQL, third one is Python, and what is the 4th one? It's a Power BI. These 4 skill sets are required if you want to become data analyst. For data engineer, you should need all, like you should need SQL, Excel, Python. There is one more language is there, we called it as a Spark. Nowadays Spark is also important for data engineer. Okay, and you should have knowledge about Linux also. That's also important. Linux. Data scientist, all these things are important. Apart from this, knowledge about the statistics, maths, AI kind of things, these are all things are important.
Okay.
Any question, guys? So those people who are interested to join the data analyst, please fill up the Google form which is available in the comment sections or in the chat option of the Zoom meeting. Okay, please fill up that. Come up with the questions, queries. If you still have any queries and you are not comfortable to ask me as of now, there is a number given. You can call to the number, ask the questions. Again, I'm telling you, whatever the trainings we provide the best training so far. Because if you see our Google review, like if you see our Google review especially, okay, Learnomate Technologies Google review, you will find that we are providing the best trainings for, okay, Learnomate. See, if you go here, we have around 936 ratings are there till now, and we are providing like we have 4.8 ratings. So this is an online class. Apart from this, we have offline classes for other technologies also. If anyone want to visit our office, the office is available in Wakad location. In Wakad we have Kalewadi Fata, there is also office available, and we have office available in 𝐊𝐿𝐿𝐿 Wakad, Pune. There also office available. So you can come and you can visit and you can discuss about the things. Okay. So if you want to know more about the Learnomate, you can see the reviews over here. Okay. One more thing, the best thing about the Learnomate, we have a YouTube channel also available with our name, and currently we have more than 22,000 followers on our, so you can go here, see here around 22. Okay, so you can subscribe to our YouTube channel also from here. I have shared the link in the comment sections. Okay, so you can see here. Yes, someone was asking something.
How much fees structure?
For fee structure and everything, you can reach out to the number, okay, or fill up the form. We will call you.
Okay. Or duration for course?
3 months. The duration of the course will be 3 months. The timing will be evening 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. Okay, it's a daily class, Monday to Friday.
Morning batch is available?
Morning batch we will try. Okay, morning batch also we can try, but it's totally depending upon the people, what other people will say. Okay, we can try for that also.
Saturday Sunday also class there?
No, we don't have a class on Saturday Sunday. The class will be from Monday to Friday. Okay. But if we get more number of students for Saturday Sunday, we can try for Saturday Sunday also, but the number of admissions should be high for that. But please fill up the form, and if any questions are there, we can discuss and we can get back to you.
Sir, 3 months is very long period. Can we do this in 2 months, like 1.5 hour session daily?
No, we are having a session for 2 hours daily. We have a,
okay.
See, it's a Monday to Friday, 2 hours of training. We are not compromising with the syllabus. We are telling you each and everything. So don't consider that it is a 1 hour session. It's a daily 2 hour of session, and we need 3 months, 120 hours sessions. Okay, it's a 120 hours. So because whatever things the people are asking in the interview, we are going to discuss about that, everything, that too practically.
Okay, and how about Python? Is it deep like Java, Python?
See, the things which are required, see, there are 2 things are there. One is a Python developer, okay, who will work with the Python only. He will not touch to other things. But the Python which is required for our Oracle
data analyst,
that we are conducting. Okay.
Okay, so that is minimal only.
You can consider like that, because we need to cover, again you need to understand that 120 hours no one will take the training. Believe me. You can check the market, 120 hours, that to daily 2 hours, no one will take that too for 3 months, I'm saying.
Correct. Okay. This is
Hello.
in which location? This institute? With
Uh, the institute available in Pune location.
Pune. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But we have a classes available online.
Okay. Okay.
So what I can see here, like we have some let me see one more time. Yeah,
Hello.
yes. So those people who are interested to join this, okay, you can quickly
I
enroll.
have a question.
Yes, Mohammad Kamra. Yes, tell me.
Can you use this Python experience on Oracle database tags?
Python for Oracle DB, you're saying?
Like the Python experience we're gonna be doing on the data analyst. Is this sufficient if you work within the Oracle DBA? Is this experience enough to apply on Oracle DBA?
No. See, Python is something, a generic technology. You can use this Python everywhere. Since you are coming from Oracle DB background, I'm just guessing. This Python is also important for Oracle DB, because whenever you want to do automation, not only in Oracle, not only in data analyst, not only in data engineer, in cloud specific operations, Python is important. Okay. Python is a kind of technology. There are limited technologies are there, which are very common everywhere. Like I'll tell you, SQL, common in IT industry. Then we have knowledge about so SQL is done. Then we have knowledge about Linux, kind of common in most of the technologies. What else? SQL is there, Linux, yeah. These are the technologies.
PowerShell for Windows.
PowerShell, yeah, PowerShell is there. But having a knowledge about one programming language is kind of, very much important whenever you want to do the automation, irrespective of any technology. Any one technology, I would say. Again, having a knowledge about one cloud. Try to focus and try to understand one cloud. Any one cloud. I would suggest go for the AWS or Azure. That's Azure is kind of booming nowadays. So you can try for Azure also. So you join with us or don't join, but the things which I'm telling you today, that will be very much benefit for your career. Okay, so try to understand with one cloud, maybe Azure or AWS, any one programming language. Maybe I would suggest go with the Python. Database, maybe Oracle, MySQL. So SQL automatically you'll understand, and Linux. Okay, your IT career will be very good. Don't worry.
Okay. Sounds good. Thank you.
Thanks. Any question? Yes.
When did you start? Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Is there a age limit for do this course?
Age limit means no. We don't have any age limit.
Okay.
Sir, when did you start the data science?
Data science, still the date has not been fixed, but we are planning to start very soon. Currently, our focus is on data analyst, and as soon as we are done with the data analyst, the next batch will be data scientist only. Data science.
Oracle DB, sir?
Oracle DB, we are starting in 15 days.
Okay.
Sir, are you planning to come shift your office in Thane?
Mumbai? We need investor.
Yes, sir,
I
please.
should go to the Shark Tank first, and then someone will open an office there. Plan is there, but money is not there.
Absolutely right answer.
We need some energetic people who will take care of Learnomate there in Pune location, in Mumbai location. The next batch and the next plan is with Hyderabad first. So Hyderabad is in progress, and
I am
then
at Hyderabad, sir.
okay, you are there. That's good.
Sir?
So Hyderabad is the next plan, and see many the people coming from Mumbai location to our institute many times. Like every Saturday Sunday they are traveling. Some people are traveling daily also. So
But
because
Hyderabad is comfortable.
Hyderabad
In
we are
Telangana.
trying, we are searching the place now.
Maximum days, sir. Start the class, Hyderabad.
What you said? Can you come again?
Many days start the class, Hyderabad.
No, not sure. Like we are still finding. Still finding.
I am waiting, sir, class.
I'll be there. I'll be there very soon.
So maybe 1 month, sir, or 2 months.
Not sure. Like I don't have much control there. Like Pune, I can say. Hyderabad, I don't know. Pune, we have started the second batch, second branch last week only. We have both the branches available in Pune now. Third branch will be in Hyderabad. It will come soon, very soon.
Data analyst, how much? How much, sir? Data analyst.
For this training fees and all, you can reach out to the team, sales team. They will tell you. The number is there.
But I am not offline student. I am online student. I am not come to Pune.
No, online only. It's available. This course is online only. This data analyst.
So duration?
3 months. 3 months. Any question, guys? Others?
Sir, I have a question. Can I ask?
Yes, yes.
Sir, what is the? I mean to say that if you want to learn SQL, then what is the application for it?
What is
like
the
how we can application like for example PL SQL is good, or is good.
See, PL SQL is different, man. PL SQL is the track related to the SQL developer. Okay. So we have that training also available. Okay. It's your decision what you want to understand. Fine, then I think I have responded to most of the question answer. So we have limited seats are available. I can see we have some 4 seats are available as of now. Those people who are interested to join this data analyst training, you can reach out to the team, and you can you can do your process related to the admission of this Power BI or data analyst training. Apart from this, if you have any questions, queries, anything, you can ask to the number is already there. You can fill up the Google form and all. Okay, so thank you so much for listening me and spending your valuable time with us. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel, Learnomate Technologies. Okay, there are many free contents are also available. Please fill up the Google form, and the Google form is available in the chat option, and try to understand. You can many free webinar we are always coming with. So thank you for spending your time. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
business analyst.
That's why.
अब किसके लिए इतना कमाते हो बाबूजी? अब किसके लिए इतना कमाते हो बाबूजी? रुलाते हो बाबूजी, क्या याद?
सबकी कहानी है, सब खुलना चाहते हैं, सब कहना चाहते हैं, सबके भीतर बहुत कुछ है बताने को, बस कोई उनसे प्यार से, सम्मान से, बराबरी से पूछे और फिर पूरे जतन से, पूरे ध्यान से उनके रिस्पॉन्सेस को सुने। किसी से भी मिलो, उन सब में ये एक चीज कॉमन है, दे हैव समथिंग टू शेयर विद यू। ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज जेन्युइनली आस्क। अगर तुम किसी से